Hey, what up, everybody? It's Mr. Hecting in the screen, and I have my co-host here.
Looks like K. Go praise what he is.
And I'm pretty sure you know her, but let her introduce herself again.
Yeah, it's your girl, Lisanite, but I'm not it's your girl, Lisanite.
You don't get the wrong, no, it's your girl. I was wrong with it's your girl, it's your boy. So when you didn't date Mudot, it's your boy.
Oh, I'm getting
What's wrong with you? It's your boy.
What up, everybody?
What's up, everybody?
It's your boy.
Marcus.
Compared to another YouTube video. That's
wrong.
It's not like you do it for free.
Johnny, what's wrong with YouTubers? Exactly, like, okay, yeah, let me just, will you date someone in the industry, like the entertainment industry? Yeah, like a content creator.
Nah.
Why
is that?
I feel like everything you do it for the content.
Well, depends on the person though, but not all people do so.
Nah, I feel like if you're a content creator, everything you do in a relationship, you're just doing it for the fame. You're not genuine about it. You wanna seem as the person who's in love. And when you know.
Oh, and you're not in love because she's loving out loud. What's wrong with loving out loud?
That Peanuts is doing the same thing.
Who?
Peanuts.
Who is that?
Almost Peanuts.
This little guy is. I forgot for me. Stanley Alba. Come on. Yo.
It's crazy.
Stanley Alba.
That clips.
No. So when you think it's genuine.
I mean, yeah, it is genuine for me. In my POV.
We're doing it for the content.
No, they're not doing it for the content.
Okay, let's say if they love the content, this inside.
I mean, they're both content creators at the end of the day.
Exactly. The more they keep showing us the relationship content, the more people love them.
But like, it's not like I show everything.
You post this recent post, they post the one they fagama flowers and stuff and pretend as if you propose and shit. Then people love that shit. They loved it.
I mean,
exactly.
They're gonna propose and we prank.
And they were like,
was that a prank?
I'm not happy.
That thing I
comment abantu abatesti lapha all over batesti la ngaphandle baba ma comments alapha mfethu.
Yeah, because the girl was wearing a miniskirt.
Showing some dairy there. Showing some dairy there. I'd seen my comments, boy. The one that stood out for you.
Thirsty there baba.
Which comment stood out for you, boy?
Let's stay up boy. Kono mtu afite Stina.
Stina operation. Stina operation on the highest, baba. When I wouldn't date someone.
Angazi mile benjani but akumele uzinze kakhulu because khona umuntu njengawe shine Stina. Uthi kanjani? Possible.
You talking from experience?
No, I'm not talking from experience.
It's a safe space.
It's
I know it's a safe one, but like, nah, I'm not talking from experience. I want to tell the show.
Yeah, Tay.
So what about Shine Steam?
Yet, nah, I'm shine Steam.
Do you know it?
Ungenza njani ke bakushaya Stina?
Nah, and you can't do it this time. The colors is coupon between. One inconvenience, I'm out. Don't even explain.
Have you been? Oh shit. Wait, what?
Relationship? No, this is the second one. If we count the one I was in 2023, this is the second one.
Damn, so like there are below 5 in my relationship trap in total.
Yeah, the ones I consider relationships.
The one I consider like okay.
Let's get to know each other. We're not labeling relationship. That is not a relationship. Okay. We're getting
I say label
when you label on a side and the other side
I mean we are China at the end of the day. When we are music and stuff,
let's not label things much as label because I'm open cage.
So when I'm for like 2 months.
Yo, you ain't calling me 2 months.
I'm gonna ask this again. So, Ilan said the shopping stage is supposed by how long?
1 week.
What?
1 week. 1 week. 2 days.
2 days? What?
1 month. 1 week. Delusional failure from the job.
From the job.
The next thing you could say, I love you. randomly.
Must be love. It could be love.
Could be love.
Ibone phambili ngenye
Ntoni kodwa zothetha 2 months.
2 months.
2 months. Yeah, come on.
A lot.
I was
You
push you
get
2
to
months
know
way
the
too.
person.
Kwalo 2 months ngiyenzeka futhi ungamazi
Okay,
nomazi.
firstly, it's gonna be the 2 weeks talking stage, and then you'll decide if you like you wanna be in a relationship or what. And then you get to a point where you're like, you know what? Let's try getting to know each other into that level, but not labels.
2 months gone down the line, this person.
It's not the person. Imagine now you're gonna exit just because you're into
1 week masibone ngoku next week sibone basifanele lo nyaka.
Sibone basimephi kahle kahle.
Ayibona
I have enough friends man.
What in 2 months?
I have enough friends.
What 2 months xesha elingaka only to find out by.
And on city, well, inconvenience, I'm out. I meant like on the talking stages, I was on. One thing, you bore me or you do something that I don't like. In fact, so it's fine.
What is
So nje mistake kumele angayenzi, kumele abe perfect.
No, not that you have to be perfect now,
most
but
of the time you don't like what you mean.
Yeah. Izindoni ezongadani ungaziva yakhe.
What do they do that you don't like? Like what do they say?
okay. One thing I remember from this one, recent before the relationship I'm in. The dude was writing exams, and then I was busy with like my and stuff. Yes, we are bad, but you have time to text. And then you came back after a week. You're like, I was busy with exams. First of all, you did not inform me.
Wasn't he busy though?
You were able to post.
Oh.
Hey, get out of here, dog. Don't come back.
I mean, what if someone was posting for him, bro?
Dude, like sending a message, man, it does not even take a minute.
I mean, what if someone was posting for him? Yabo? Amachita phela nawo kusebenziselana WhatsApp.
Thing is reply manje mina reply
Back and forth ke ngo. Ngine sengafundanga ke ngoku mina nxa yakho. Want me to fail?
One of the reasons why I don't listen to voice notes. That's one of the reasons why I don't listen to
Wait, what?
Oh, you can just call. Come on. Just
it's the same thing because like I wanna ilontoza and ukubone umuntu uzokusendela i-VN then like you post something yabo. Uyabuya futhi nge-VN uqomba yo ngizomamela i-VN engaka ke mina ngoku ngiphendule wena phinde ndiwenze into enenzayo. That's one of the things.
Toxic niggas. Wait, so when I'm asking VN, what do you do? Like my
I zone the first part.
i-VN izodlala iziphele ningavanga nento eyi-1 ejilo.
As well, I do. Start on the 15th. Udlale. Ndihambise ngesiphathini. Ndihambise ngiqabeleni ngiphinde ndawo ndisifile.
Nah, mina ngifaka 1.5 speed mfana sheshe. Once because lento kukhuluma kahle it takes time. Yayibona into eshoyo ukuthi like listen bro, faka 1.5 speed mina. Done, okay.
Ungayilaleli, akilaleli nje. Wathi wasenda i-VN zophendula enye into mina leyo VN nje ayikhohlwa. Get.
Maybe no one ungalast nje.
My people.
I mean, what do you mean? Guys, what my voice knows.
When was the last time you were in a relationship, John?
A month back.
A month? How long was it?
1 month. That was 1 month.
Something's not adding up. Something's not adding up.
No, it's been a minute.
It's been a
In a while.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Me? What was the question?
And the last time you were in a relationship, man.
Oh, still in a relationship.
You in a relationship?
Yeah.
Shopping.
The last time I
News to us, man.
When was the last time I was in a relationship?
But okay.
It's fine. It's fine.
Well, bros, I'm in between. I'm single sometimes I'm
Then
dating.
get to shower forward or forward. Shower forward or forward. This guy.
You know.
They don't need to know it. They don't need to know.
Automatic.
They don't need to know. Hey, anizithethe izinto.
Nah, you don't need to know.
Dog, ingazi. Ngile nje apho.
If I know my friend didn't treat you right, nah, he wouldn't make it this time
It's
around.
giving those vibes back, okay? The time I was here, you were seeing me in that way while I'm dating your friend. It's giving those vibes.
Singababuza nawe. ayikho ke leyo nto singababuza.
Like, there's someone I wanna ask about. So like every time when your sister breaks up with a boyfriend, you go after them. Yeah,
Wait,
I
what?
genuinely wanna know, but how do you feel?
So it's a brother.
Look, okay, there's this one person, every time Usis okay, cousins and stuff, they break up.
Cousin, even yes.
Nendoda yakhe.
It does not even get to 3 months after behlukene. Even nakuchom zakhe dog. I don't know about uvuma kanjani abafana bayenze la nto kuye, but it's fine.
The
It's her life.
automatic. The female way.
Hey.
It's her life.
Oh nah. Oh nah. Aye, it's a lot. It's a wow.
It's a lot.
It's a wow.
Yeah, in South Coast.
Aye. So back to the question: would you date someone in the industry?
Honestly, it depends on the hand.
Yeah, it depends on who.
Yeah. Also, how many scandals do you have, dog, as a person? Eight.
So you wouldn't mind, but it depends on the hand.
Yeah.
Or if like she's still upcoming, like she's not well known like that, but she's still upcoming.
It's not about the number of fans. I'm just saying it depends on the type of person she is.
Personality.
Yeah.
Would you date Sima?
Nah.
Why?
Kulum. No, too much.
Nama opinions are cool.
Too much. Kulum.
Nama opinions. Nama opinions. But sometimes we're gonna have a
Oh, nah. Listen, it's we
don't
don't.
voice them out.
Listen, it's we don't open up.
Amanye opinions is kuka wacinga phila ku3. So it's fine. It's fine.
Oh nah.
Don't say them out loud.
No, try open up at your own. What the fuck?
Bundles.
Bundles. Try open up at your own risk, bros. If you open up, it will be used against you. So you know, it will be used against you.
Okay, do you feel like it's a good thing to open up to your girlfriend?
Not entirely, but like do tell her some stuff, like not everything, because once you open up, when I mustn't when
I also don't get this thing of like using something on a bag when you're fighting. It does not make sense.
yeah, that's a low blow, bro.
It's a
That's
low blow for you. Like I told you that.
But women do use it, like they do use it, bro,
No.
and they prove points about that. Like, but when I be,
It's okay, Jomi. It's fine.
What's the point?
no, I was never a victim.
It's funny, man. It's fine.
I guess
So when you see somebody in the industry, like,
Me, nah. I like my shit private.
Yeah,
how do you tend to be
relationships
private with
are
someone in the
nice.
industry?
Huh?
Are they
You can be
private?
private.
Wait.
Okay, it depends if you both want to be private,
Okay, yeah.
not
But
too
how many
public.
relationships are private in the industry?
They are.
They are. You wouldn't know.
That's why you don't know them. They are there. That's why
No,
no,
like iyaziwe but they're private.
njengomtho. Niyazi into ngomtho.
nah, nobody
Who's
knows.
Mtho?
Joe from Evangelist. Lila. Could it be Lila though?
Umbone after how many into nikuthethiwe ngayo uba okay hayi nansi lo nto uzamjika. When did you find out?
It's a lot though.
I think last night.
Kusasmaza.
Kusasmaza.
Siyabona.
Nakhona ngawena amasasma la NFT.
NFTs. After ixesha elingaka dog besingasonke kodwa kuthiwa asikulo umthweza alontuza abangani all this time dog. So there are lontuza chosen private relationships in the industry that we don't know of.
I mean, really, as if you're a public figure, you don't have to put everything in there. So you have to choose what you put there. You know.
Yeah, that's why we try.
In fact, it's just you as a person. You don't have to put everything there.
It depends on.
So you wouldn't go publicly in a relationship.
If people did not see me that because this one was gonna be private as fuck, no one is gonna know about it. Only my friends are going to know about it. Now it's just that shit happened. Now it's known.
Oh boy.
Shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you.
W for Mr. W.
Oh no, that's a bad. Oh no, but it's not that no, cause it's not like abandabaning bias. It's just those who are there.
Yeah.
I mean, like when a social media known publicly, social media, niye kuma-social media wathi nipostane lapha.
Angeke bafo.
Yo, I don't be really in love.
Alright, WhatsApp. Sesiyabo Facebook, Instagram, sesiyabo nado.
Okay, Instagram I can soft launch.
Yeah, yeah,
Soft launch.
yeah.
Yes.
nje umqolo nje.
Bare face.
The face ngayi.
Sengazi bangithathele i-croissant yami.
Croissant yo.
Croissant.
Check.
No, it's not to check. It's a croissant. It's a bagel.
Hey, uyazazi yena croissant.
Ngikhulumile.
Hey, that's
I'm
really crazy, boy. Hey,
Thinking about relationships, man. What are your red flags in a relationship?
red flag.
Ngicela nizimenshine nongazothi uba yeah, red flag.
Not that everything. But like, I'm pretty ngenhloko.
Screw.
Hey, man.
Hey, mate.
It's actually
What up, mate? Red flag. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
money.
Mamacita.
Señorita.
Tia Angelica.
Oh no. A whole song.
Okay, upcoming rapper.
You wouldn't date a rapper.
No,
An upcoming. You wouldn't date an upcoming, but you would date a rapper. That's the.
no, anything that has to do with a rapper upcoming.
What's wrong with that?
Nah, it's just not my vibe. No.
Wait, so what you play? Can figure out?
Wow.
Nah.
Nah.
Oh, me not.
Nah. First of all, black is not my type.
You're cool.
First of all, black is not my type.
Nasty.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Nazo.
Kalangu.
That's our answer.
Kalangu.
Do y'all know Daniel Ezra?
Who the fuck is that?
He's not a rapper, but like he's
Ezra.
an actor. Daniel Ezra.
Ezra.
What did he act as? What did he act?
Excellent.
On Yakuzana America, All American. He's All American.
Let's try.
I might know him, but I don't know the name.
Yeah, man.
In which role does he act on All Americans?
Spencer.
Oh, Spencer. Oh,
Yes, that's my type.
tall, dark, and what? I got tall, but too dark. So.
Yeah, that's my type.
Oh,
And
man.
Wait.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Settlement.
Futhi. Futhi nama waves kayena.
Wait.
And W doesn't have waves.
Agreement yenziwe.
Then that's my type when it comes to people who are like famous and stuff.
Okay, wait. So
Wait.
okay, guys, siyakuva Chum. Would you go for your types, or you don't date your type?
No, I don't date my type.
Settlement.
Why is that?
No, it's not a settlement.
Why
Settlement.
No,
don't you
it's
date your
not.
type? Why don't you date your type?
And does, but I feel like it wouldn't work out. Find a crush, wouldn't take my crush. My Shali crush.
Yeah, that's one thing about crushes. Boy,
Yeah.
crush it doesn't work out sometimes.
Yes, like
Sakho crash what?
yes.
Thing is that if you crash a match that last, but a crash make you shoot a shot.
Same as the girls. When I'm not, if I'm open group chat with us.
Hey, the girls group chat, I told you, man.
Mofuna
Mofuna Goa. Yeah, we girls group chat. I told you.
The crush my Shali crush much not go beyond that.
Oh, so this one you're dating was never your crush. He just came out of the blue.
Taste crash even
That's what I'm thinking.
There's something
taste.
Oh, the one I'm dating.
Yo, man. Yeah.
So the first time I saw him, I thought, yeah, he was cute and stuff. Yeah.
You didn't have that feeling for him, like, oh, I wouldn't mind dating him. Until he was the one
A
who.
bit. It was there. A bit. It was there. I didn't want to get my hopes up.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Hey, uzo. Hey,
I do want to get my hopes up though.
Master chef.
master chef. And he's a chef.
He's a chef.
Easy.
Oh
Easy.
Call him Sipho Mbule, baba. Master chef.
Gordon Ramsay.
Chef.
no, Gordon Ramsay
So kuya
himself.
ngapha nangapha. Ngapha nangapha uyapheka.
So when I paid Mr. Hectic, mother flag wako.
My red flags. Oh, Tomazane hostess. Bottle girl. Bottle girl. Bottle girl. I wouldn't date a bottle girl, bro. Groovist.
Let's start by Groovist.
Bro, unga afford to go to Groovist every weekend. You out.
Ntombazane bhemayo bemugwaya isikhathi.
Ukwaya bona ezokhafaza abakhafazi no, that's the thing about khafazi twana I like it raw. On the experience. So nje manixabana nethi yazi ngimangela stress wena keep it 20 yakhe
Banzima ngokum-approach dog. Bona umuntu uphethe ugwaya uthi
lapho nuka kabi nugwaya nuka kabi ugwaya I hate that shit. I hate that shit, bro.
When I call crazy.
Most likely we're into the show brother Hectic. Yeah, same.
You like them violent, but
That's why I go for closer hands.
you like them violent, but oh no. Say go back.
Closer hands.
Oh shit. Yeah, ngisazobuza ukuthi sekwayi-victim. Hayibo uyambona nje. Uyambona nje.
Abuke esibhedlela.
The only competition is colored hands. Comes to crazy.
Oh nah, body crazy.
Uzothi closer hands are crazy. Ngoba uboni wena. Ewo.
I'm not crazy.
What?
Girls born.
That's the thing, you don't know yourself which you're crazy.
At all.
Kalo yi video ubuze yibona ku TikTok namhlanje eyomjida ethi bula teacher yakhe ukukhoza.
Keyboard.
Ubone mpope ngana.
Kuthiwa omnye wangibulakela amafestire nganxa ukuthi angifuni ukuvula. All windows of the house, bro, wabulala. Ngaye ukuthi
I
nje
told this one dog if you don't ukwehlukana. In fact, uthatha lezo thoughts usiphindze bangasemva. Somehow sosebenza ulwami. Just nje.
she's not cooking. She's being cooked. She's being cooked.
What do you mean now uzovela nje random ukuthi mama zohlukana?
Sengithola abangcono. It's simple.
Not even that. It's not very feeling.
Yeah, fair, bro. Feelings fade.
Azithele kumzina.
Tensa linda wena.
Anye nakuni zaphela fit nomuntu.
Wait, guys. So, do you prefer being dumped or being the one dumping?
No dog.
I
I'm an instigator. I'm an instigator.
Okay.
I'm an instigator. I'm not dog. I instigate you into blocking you, dog.
Mina ngashanga ngixelela.
Like I instigate you into making me uba umbonise umuntu bad for you.
Hayi yabo lento lento okhanda uba victim le.
Be straightforward.
Nanandaba futhi
I try, bra.
Grade.
Hayi bro, simple, my chai bra. Ngeke nawe phela ukuthi cela ungilahle. When will be dead? Thola umuntu lo uzibonela i-future nawe wena i-future yakho seyiphelile wena. Yena usabona i-future yena. Hayi if it's chai is chai boy.
You false hope.
Nah, no, false hope.
Manje dog. Mina ngicingela u2 years ahead, dog. Ngicingela ngoku ngisebenza it's chai.
Have you ever done anything crazy after a breakup?
Crazy.
Yeah, like ngashizi.
Oh, okay, yeah. In terms of gifts, can get in a relationship, you buy each other gifts and stuff. So after breakup, what happened to those gifts? Do you keep them or do you throw them away?
I see you get your gift. So after breaking up, do you have to come and collect your things, your clothes?
Clothes ezami impahla ezami not ukuthi ngithengela okay ngiyazizwa ngikuthengele zona but meko ezami like wazithatha eyodrophini yami ngiyozilanda boy I want my hoodie back ain't no way I want my hoodie back
Ibani stratweni ubona umuntu onxiba ihood yami.
ayo thothi qowe boyfriend yakhe entsha ke manje use giftade boyfriend yakhe ngehoodie yami bathandana ngehoodie yami Ayibo, bengakunikeza, that's the thing. I didn't give you. You took it. Nakhona, okay, if I gave you, okay, I gave you because you were feeling cold and it is like when I pattern that day.
Uthi uyabona weather kunjani phansi uphuma
Phuma ngaqwanga cheese. I-boyfriend yami nawo oh shit.
angazi two makuthi zakhona dog gone forever.
It's okay, man.
It's not okay.
It's just close.
Ayibo, akazithekeli ngani yena, it's just
It's
close.
just that thing I found there and I had at that moment.
Nah, girls are weird, bro.
Vale wayegoli umntwana yikuthi zami dog.
Thothi khona ozigqokayo. Thothi khona ozigqokayo. Khona abangcono abazigqokayo.
Awubhetele cause aniboni andazi next.
Yeah, it's fine like that.
It's fine.
What
Wena
happened?
boy.
How did they end up kuyena, boy?
Hey dog. Yazi nje into yamathekini ngokuthanda.
Andiyazi, boy.
Yazi. Uzenza into ungazi.
Wait, kwakuthini? Like, was it raining? Noma avela acela umboleka ihood yakho.
Kwakubanda dog was cold.
Kwakubanda?
Yeah.
Wayigibela naye etheksini, wamyeka nje wakugibela naye.
Awu bethu umuntu uyihlala lana raw.
Oh.
Hayi ukuthi umuntu wali.
Wamkhapha, boy.
Ukhapha.
Kanti eh?
Indlela dog.
Ngoba ke-18 babe.
Yeah.
Ngoba ke-18 babe.
Uyazi indlela ugodu yakho.
Stop the cap.
Ayazi
Stop the cap. Stop the cap. It's not like also awumlandi bakona uyazifikela. Location.
Melande dog. Uyalala.
Because yes,
Kumele alande, kumele angakhali. Oh, masoyitho into efunayo awukhaphi, boy.
Kupha njengenkunkuma.
Cobrizi.
Pamakhulu yacha.
Nayi method yakho, boy. Ilokhu expand. Yazi ilokhu expand. Well, with a straight face, boy. Hayi, ngeke niyazenza izinto guys.
Yalo umuntu esiyenza.
What God fear women. Fear kosa. Ne-colored on top, boy. Colored, ew. But damn, coloreds are foreign, boy.
Huh?
Would you date a colored?
Yeah.
Would you? Would you?
Yes.
Not you, him.
Oh my lord. This guys with the
I had colored
But
mummies.
like, not all colors are crazy though.
Mapata grand makhala pata grand.
Oh yeah, they reciprocate.
Anekula mfeta makhala.
Yeah,
I
they
think one thing-
reciprocate.
Hayi kodwa abafiki komandiya boy yazi Indian love. Abafiki
Uthando lamandiya wait. Ngiyamapicha no babes.
Oh yeah, no.
You wouldn't date Indian?
I would, but like angazi nifike. I haven't dated outside my race. I haven't.
Have you?
Yes.
How was it?
Huh?
How was it?
It was not.
It was a white or color?
Yeah, white.
White.
John mlungu pla.
It was in high school.
Snow pani pla.
It was in high school. Shippy.
That makes sense.
No.
Did she have ass boy?
I don't know talk about it.
Did she have ass boy mama?
Did she
Film.
For white girl, yeah.
Oh
she
yeah.
introduce you to the parents?
Nah, I didn't get to that.
Hey, that's one thing about whites, boy. They'll introduce you. They will introduce you. Me, nah. How was the experience?
I'm going to find your dad. I'm like, you say.
Wait, ukonisa abahlambi bona boy.
Abathi
Ukonisa abahlambi.
abahlambi.
What?
No, ngibuza into eshoyo phela mina. Is that what you're saying? They don't bath. What are you What are you saying? Ufuna kube njani kanti wena like what are you expecting?
All these differences like personality. Like Shaba's pattern and stuff.
Yo.
The way they
And
think.
how the person is raised for
Yeah, the
sure.
way they think.
Okugrade ba?
Like 10.
Nah, you're still
Can you
young.
degrade?
Hmm?
You degrade.
What?
Can you degrade?
Great.
You degrade.
Great. What the Oh, now what did I say again? kusalayo ngiphendulile. Kusalayo ngiphendulile. Hayo.
Civil.
Eat ice cream.
Hayi ngicela. And then it talk. Get green go. Want it green. I know it deep freeze.
Ice cream.
Have you ever eaten outside your Illumbezi race yet? Like,
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Johnny Colored, bro.
Colored? No, it wasn't colored.
India, bro.
India. No, it was Sutsu. I won't say.
Race for this. Race.
The race is back. China boy.
Mau ngapain deh balik bang?
Backflips. Backflips.
Oh nah. Oh nah.
It's crazy as far as that.
Oh, the camera actually is India. White person no.
Mau cai?
Yeah, Asian.
Or Chinese.
Issue.
The race is back. At least I caught you laughing.
When up?
No.
So what's that now?
Me? Yes.
When up? Snatch?
Color.
How was it?
Color mummies.
Was lekker.
It was lekker.
Outside.
It was lekker.
Oh, yeah. Cheese, I won't.
I gotta come. Okay, I got to sit on my red flag.
Okay.
Someone who's not emotionally available, honestly. That's a red flag.
Athi mntana abantu akazenzanga
Ngeke unjani ube kanti ukho emotionally available.
udali wathi mntana abantu
Ngeke. Angeke ngizwe uma wena emotional.
athi xa attracted kuwe.
Suqala into engevumile phela. I'm not saying we should talk like every day, like every hour of the day, but like be the emotional available.
Like how? I'm not saying like all the day, like how many times a day should you go like talk to me?
We can even go a day without talking, bro. As long as I don't have a problem, honestly.
Yeah, that's all wrong.
Until it's done. Until it's done to them. Until it's done to them. They will chest it like crazy, man.
Nah, I don't have a. If you tell me, okay, you're gonna be busy. Nah, it's fine. Get to do your thing.
Yo.
And then you can talk to
Okay,
me.
do
when you want.
report. Yeah, report.
Exactly. Like, you see, leaves the police station out of like go report every time. When you say class, saying no.
But I feel like that's like a part of communication.
Uh-huh.
You have
You can just tell me your plans, but you don't have to report every time.
Yo, Mr. Report and your report. Tanyalala imupi. Tanya puma imupi.
You tell me,
Just Nah, that's a bit too much, you know. I'll switch on every detail.
like no.
So time.
How do you gents feel about double texting?
Huh?
Double texting.
Masako.
Okay,
Like context, context.
You're double texter. It's only bad when you're double texting to someone who does not care about
Yeah.
you. Or mona yema, okay, this person is not there. Otherwise, double texting is not a bad thing.
It's not
Yeah.
life to me.
Especially if they also double text also.
Yes,
Okay, yeah, it depends on the person.
if it's reciprocated, it's fine.
Right.
Yes.
See, I'm a green flag, man. See, I'm negative.
Keep her to my dates, but you're not cookayo. Stand son. Stand son.
Forever, wakho lo.
Prince
Forever.
era, boy.
Prince Prince-
I got the
Nah, hey, I've never been on a date, bro. Sadly. So oh, can
and the material do that. You can do that thing once.
once, boy,
Once and
I'd love you forever.
like you can
Kept giving me points.
Asha.
Like he's always at the carpet. And then
Some notes.
yeah,
It's say God fearing.
God-fearing woman.
but ketchum kukhona aba.
Hayi yabo uyeka ababenza izinto ecaweni.
Helicopter.
Helicopter.
Kukhona balokhuzayo bane what Bible codes on their social
No, yeka ama-fake Christians. Yeka ama-fake.
kanti inhliziyo esadinga ukuhlanjwa nge-omo but asikho lapho nge-omo job omo
Ini.
Oh. Yeah, they gave you to slap, right?
Asha.
Isakhona i-omo guys.
yes
Uhlamba ngani impahla pha? Akazihlambi impahla yabonakala.
Sunlight boy. Sunlight boy.
Number 2. Ahada says like I want opinion. These are these infos like
oh yeah
Tomazane thule. Kho nguwe ngoku uyalontuza.
ithini
mani ingqondo yakhe.
Bro, njalo kumele ube wena ocingayo like all the
guys
time.
there's this thing when you're dating as a girl when in some situations ingqondo yakho vele ingaziba kwenzeni like ivele ingasebenzi in some other things funeka bakusebenze yomfana I know I'm not the only one I
just zoned out. Uthini?
Ucingaphi boy? Hayibo.
Uye ngoku nje.
Hayibo ucingaphi? Yeah.
like it happens like ubuzwe into like supposed to say your own opinion like what you want but like your mind does not want to go there you just want umuntu wakho kucingile
I feel like most ladies do that in a relationship.
Okay, boy, not most. Boy.
When they are with their men,
Yes,
they
I
don't
don't know
use
why.
their mind. Funa ukutya ntoni? I don't know.
but you're hungry though Because
Because like yabo uzombuza ufuna ntoni usuggestele athi hayi akayifuni le.
Ufuna ntoni
Hayi
andazi.
akayifuni le. Something that hayi andifuni ukuya awu.
Ufuna ukuyaphi andazi. What do you know andazi? Oh shit.
usumongazi nje
After that date mina boy.
Wena ko please.
Lecture wena nje any small inconvenience nje.
Ngiyacabanga.
Uzulu yapi sengichilo mina boy. Uspendayo nje.
Oh,
Hayi wadlula ngoku.
zoned out.
yami green flag cela ukuthi before ngilibali someone who is family orientated
Mhm.
someone who is family orientated in fact if you love your family you have the capability of loving me yabo
Some.
Is it true though?
Is it true though? Some.
like you do get the point though
Yeah, we get the point, but some would love you with your mates. Ungabi one. Yabo.
Nibe happy family.
Nibe happy family nje, nibe triangle or so.
Usamsele ukuthi ayi shit.
very possible
Wena ko berezi.
Ndazi.
Cooperate.
As long as you cross up.
Yeah,
W.
China
Uya
matters.
umshaya.
Violent hand.
W. W.
as long as you
Ufele manyaleni wena.
as close as are
That's
not
the heel.
bad
Xhosa women.
Not bad. Come on
They're toxic though.
Yo,
They are toxic though.
bro.
Not all of them, but some are. Very.
what is that one toxic trait that you know you have
Me
but you keep doing it
instigating.
When I'm going through something, I isolate myself.
that's not bad yeah
Instigate.
Yeah, instigate even. Yeah, also like disappear when I'm going to something. Disappear.
When
Then she-
yakho.
no it's leading on someone
And you're so good at that. Not me. Not me. No, not me.
Indlela ophendule ngayo.
Like there's a story she told me, but yeah.
I know what's about that one. I just cannot stop doing it. It keeps happening continuously.
Can't
Kodwa
practice.
ngempela yabo lento leading on. Yo. Why uyenza?
I don't know why I'm doing it.
They just do it for the fun of it, boy.
Yeah, sometimes I'll be like bored.
Lapho when it's your
Boy,
feelings,
ngala
boy.
ngawe,
It's your feelings.
Ngala ngawe le phone ngiyamthanda wafethu
Like
ngiyamthanda.
when I started working, there was this guy I was talking to him, so we like, oh, it's nice and stuff, like talking, calling. I was got you on time, like, yo,
He dropped the love bomb. It's putting the title to it that turns them
it
off
was
somehow.
nice talking.
Because they love talking about like flirting, like talking.
yeah,
Once you
it's
say you love
like
them, boy, hey, that's the end of the friendship, relationship, situationship. Whatever it was, it's end of it. It's the end of it, boy. Have you been a victim
For what?
of being led on? Damn.
Don't care when I try. It's fine like that.
Nah, I don't know.
You don't care. It's fine like that.
As long as I get what I want, it's fine.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
You only want.
It's a win-win situation. Win-win.
She crazy. Hey,
Very crazy.
also, have you been a victim?
Yeah.
Not surprised.
Yeah. I've been a victim though.
Like the other boy.
Uyabona
How do you find out that she was playing?
dog izinto ayizenza yabo ubona uba lo muntu lo kahle kahle no akunakile useyenza nje when she's available for you.
Like doing from EG.
Tunaifanisa na ndo
Was it texting constantly? Noma ikala yaba constant, then it dried off.
yeah
Text
yabo.
on my aim pen.
Yeah then babona yaza
Uthi uyafika khona imessage ayizona ngo-11
nah dog it wasn't that deep.
sozusixelele.
It wasn't that deep.
It was just a phase. Come
It
on.
wasn't that deep. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Mando Mazar.
Oh, I'm fine, dog. I'm fine.
So how long does it take you to move on from a relationship? Break up, like after a relationship, how long does it take you? Anyone?
It depends.
Bayokhala thina simnandi. Bayokhala thina
Depends on
simnandi.
Yeah, it depends on the hand, boy. But yeah, Mina instantly. Depends on the hand, bro.
Yeah, what are we talking stage? We 1 week. Moving on 1 week.
I took a stage, you have to move on. We took a stage.
Talking
No,
still.
like we are born by talking stage because now it was like 1 week. Now it doesn't move on 1 week.
Yeah, by the time I was still doing the talking stages, that's by two, the balance, the dog.
No, your
That's
balance.
my failure ngala.
Talking stage, yalo, that's true.
Akufele one enye uzokulandela omunye talking stage abe balanced.
Having
Yeah.
options. You see, they
Yes.
have options. Why
Bane
don't
roster la-
Bane roster la bantu? Why ungabi na roster?
That's what happened.
But yeah, we're no longer there.
There's competition.
But like it took me months to actually find someone I would see is umuntu engajola naye. It took me months.
How many months?
How long is months?
I think it's 7 or 8 months.
Talking stage, like.
No, like
Uhleli ngendlebe na.
ngaphele ku-3.
I'm zoned out, guys. Sorry.
Intoni boy bakhethile nawazoned out kangaka namhlanje. Azi namhlanje nje ulokhu uzoned out nje. What's wrong, boy? Talk to us. Say space, boy.
Ayekile mfethu busy.
Hey, plus we all busy, man.
So like
To be the one.
December nje sobe busy kakhulu. It will be hard shooting nakhona.
amaplan
Amaplan adlula imali. Amaplan adlula imali. She crazy. Which weekend? Hey, play Mhlatet? Oh, the Slopes. Yeah. Yeah, Stance Mania. We will be there, boy.
Marriott Extension Dream.
Sea Slopes. Yeah. Stance Mania.
Come watching car go. Psh.
If your car doesn't go, call try. How do you feel about Stance car?
Oh, I actually love them.
You love them?
Yes, I do.
You one of those type?
Fuck no.
No, the ones who will be the ones.
Oh, ghost.
No, I'm gay. I just love because it's on not the recording time for Uncle Sound Gay.
The baba.
Yeah.
Yeah. Will you date someone who loves dance like who's
To that extent,
where that you
athi ngena moto myogoqela imoto omnyama yo ngikhumbuze ngividiyo dog yayitrend kudala
mkhumbuze i-heartbreak yasmash mfana. Yeah, Apollo drivers. Me Apollo drivers. Boy, bamshiye mina umjita.
ngiyacabanga-ke when you buy xa sowuthenga yakho imoto uzobuza kuthiwa ekabaya le nto akhona ividiyo manje I think babesigrove yabo Suzuki Espresso ngiyayibona ibinye kanjani
Espresso.
yo uyivakethu amandla abo dog
Iphe yakho jo. Iphe yakho jo. Iyahamba iyafika la point A to point B yafika la kumele ifike khona.
uzothi ekabaya le nto
I paid money for this shit.
lapho but it's close to 200k land ngabaya le nto
It's also
chest pain
imoto yabo yoxesha
Ngicabanga ngayisave la nzimali. Ngayisave la.
kodwa ngempela yena uzongazithenga espresso imoto zingaka
Bro, i-budget my tight yathini.
second hand baba waye uzothenga ilontuza
inenkinga nje
Second hand. Yeah, whenever you like used things, eh?
yo
I feel like there's more into this.
No, I'm talking about cars, eh?
There's more into this.
I'm talking about cars. I'm talking about cars. I'm talking.
Yes, to me.
No, come on, guys. Motor. 444 ndo.
you must explain I don't know nothing.
No, I'm talking about motor. Mina guys, he would buy used cars. I mean, he doesn't mind you buying used things.
Time is used though.
Because he used because he used no comment and random don't
So when I wouldn't buy a used car, like a second-hand car.
I would. If it's like an hour.
So you don't like used things now?
Huh?
You don't like used things?
I don't prefer that.
You don't.
I don't prefer that.
Guys, if like an is taking a motor.
it's deeper than that.
I'm because when I'm speaking about cars, what are you
Talk about
thinking?
cars.
I'm talking about cars. What are you thinking of?
I'm thinking motor, but like now as I'm thinking about it more, I'm like,
When I wouldn't buy used cars.
I would buy a second car.
Okay, yeah, a used car with a high mileage, would you buy it?
No?
No.
Sizothatha ngemoto phakathi
Imoto routine imoto na high mileage.
awuzoyithini
Sihamba a few kilometers.
Let's see how far, bro. Like,
Yayibona
okay.
yonke. Branded yabona.
So what's your
Akasebenzi break uchayise bese ngayibona accident. Ayibone yonke. Branded ngokwena.
nxa ngafuna ukuthenga i-first hand so what's your
It's very important.
think about your health and your safety, guy. You should be safe. Check that. Check if it's still, check if those brakes still work, eh?
There's so much to live for.
Yes.
Yeah, check if it still creeps, eh?
Check the airbag. Wena
Don't be influenced. Don't be influenced by your friend just because that's a new motor. Nah, the time is coming.
Your time is coming.
Yes. No.
Polo is fine.
Polo is fine. Polo banangena everywhere. Polo.
Your time is coming xa ungafiki ngokulokuqwabile lokuqwabile
Ayibo.
What was your fate?
kaloku
Kanti wena
About your whole life.
kanti wena wenzani le engaphuphi kahle kakhulu. Kanti wena wenza njani kanti? What are you doing?
Abazobukela abantu abashada nabantu abathandana. Khona abazobukela abantu abanemali apha emhlabeni. Guys, it's
It
life.
could never be me though.
Ungavumi ngawo.
Boy. Yavumi boy.
Ungavumi ngawo. But like that's how life is.
So, nah, you
Exactly.
Yeah, so like guys, do you have like an ideal break for body count? Like if it's above this body count,
Mas badala manje.
you don't care about body counts?
Got to certain extent though, can't tell about over 20. Yeah.
Is that possible?
It is
Able?
possible. It is,
20.
it is possible.
Dang.
So 15 is enough for you.
Huh?
15 is
You are now open.
Depends on your age also, bro.
okay. Let's say.
You will be dating your age mate.
Yeah.
Your age mate.
njengokuvula amathanga.
You won't tell me 19 already, 15.
Khona basebenzisa phela for money, bro, so it's not hard. It's not
Okay,
that hard.
masibayeke abasebenzisa for money and stuff. Asiye kwabakhe.
Hey wena khona bavula amathanga 3 times in one day.
Yo, hey, about
3 different people
different people, boy,
in one day.
in one day. Oh, fear women, boy. Why now? Do you have like an ideal?
Not over 10 though.
Hey, bruh, not over 10, boy. Not over
Don't
10,
want
boy.
them uzuyenza izwi 10 bro, like
I'm not gonna answer this one because of a
Nah,
father.
you're still a newbie.
And already body count is zenu zileqa ko 15 uthi umuntu umfumana ku 20.
Zethu. Siphelele ku-5 ezethu awazi.
No.
Siphelele ku-5.
I do not partake in such scandalous activities.
Yeah.
Yes.
Unholy things.
I'm a PK, please. You don't do that.
Unholy things, no.
Preacher's kids don't do that, man.
Yes. What was sex before marriage is a
But
sin.
the preacher doesn't.
Huh?
Umfundisi akamzali umfundisi though.
Who says that?
Says me.
Don't be so, bro.
Umfundisi akamzali
Yes, that's
umfundisi though.
I'm going to show my manje.
Sibethe ngevesi boy, sibethe ngevesi nje for the day.
Ekhaya, utamkhulu as a pastor, my grandma was a mama mfundisi. I grew up in different like into the tower
Very,
and
very
stuff.
dangerous. That's why.
I'm the first one who got a tattoo ekhaya.
Wohlule.
Ulu lwakho.
Wohlule.
I was baptized like 4 years ago.
Ukholo lwakho wehlikana zange unyuke na.
Ndisazophinda ndiyobaptize guys. So sad so long for writing myself.
Wait.
So that's in.
Do they know?
They don't know, that's the thing. Yet.
Do they know?
Bethi long sleeve aloxa ehleli nefamily.
No, kushushu to hood.
Abongo.
Mina ngicela sehlamba izitsha yiko. Ukuthi hlamba izitsha.
Ngabe i-crop top yami ngiyimkhulumile and then I vibe to Uncle's Field. Yeah.
How do you feel about tats, boy? You don't mind? You would get one?
Yeah.
Dating someone that's tat, you don't mind also?
Tattoo is not a bad thing, guys.
Even,
I don't know why people have it.
even when it's below, like somewhere there.
Onje bona thethe la.
Ilapha eqhezweni.
Number plate straight.
What's wrong with it?
Nah.
Something's cooking, something's fishy there. Why couldn't tattoo le kude? Le kude. Tattoo yantoni efihliwe ele kude dog. Like
Only selective people know it.
izibe lapha kodwa but up.
I mean, I'm already thinking of my third one because already I'm getting a second one with my best friend. I like,
It's a wow.
I'm already thinking of
Uzoyibeka phi le second one?
second one.
Which position? Which zobaphi? Ubheka uLuzu, uyayazi boy?
Oh, what am I? But all of you guys were looking at me. And now, firstly, he said like if I drag Lendau, and I'm like, okay, if I point out why is over Eve, I feel like no opinion in judge.
No, we won't judge.
He's over Abha.
Oh, that's better.
He's over
Oda
there.
yaqala yaba below.
Sort of shine itself.
It started to come somewhere.
Backtash. Yeah.
Nah, this one will be matching my best friend. We said we're getting the tattoos, so
Yo. Tattoo na chomi.
In there. Come on there.
it's someone's name.
Uthi ligama lento.
My mom. Now we didn't write some fun.
Endishile.
Would you-
Igama lento.
Would you get? I do. Bad clips. Bad clips.
He knows about
Bad
the
clips.
vibe.
So you wouldn't get a matching tattoo with your partner.
So what was that boy?
With the what?
With your partner,
So
Tell me to forgive Pele London Gom Beke.
Bruce Lefello.
No.
Go to skin sound.
trauma.
Trauma. How do you feel about matching outfits in public?
Hayi.
Ngisise because I have.
Hayi bo.
Senzani. Hayibo.
Twins, what are we?
Senzani. Hayibo, ilungu.
Couple goals, bro.
Aye, aye,
Sweaty
aye,
couple
aye,
goals. I want Valentine's, not red.
Hayi.
Ezitolo zibuya sezibhaliwe. Yo.
Hayibo.
King.
Hayibo.
Try his king.
Guys, wait, like I'm a 90s, 80s.
I'm a 1K.
the
I'm a 1K.
1K.
Bro, they rock the shit and they don't mind. I mean, I feel like if I do get married, I wouldn't mind doing that shit, but when I'm married, couple goals, boy, I'm a shit that shit.
The color image, you know?
Yeah.
Same thing.
Color
Car,
image.
yeah.
Yeah, the color coordination can match somehow.
Exact same thing. Aye. Simple is a name.
Sizzy twins. Sizzy twins. Sizzy twins, bro. Sizzy twins. Kalele.
When I got my shout out. Yeah.
And white sandals.
When I rang minutes by yes, man, turn my time. Until it Lord. Talk up. Okay, something.
Calling up a PI.
Okay, my question now is, how long does it take you to actually publicize your relationship?
Public.
Yeah, public.
Now, like, not like that, it's like maybe soft launch or something like that, so to show people that you're actually in a relationship.
I know timeline.
It doesn't have to have a timeline.
Depends on the bonding. It's okay, strong bonding. I can trust this person.
And they reciprocate the energy also. Ngabe mina ngedwa manje lapho Mr. Posting lapho. Ngiyacabanga Slim is famous. Mina ngedwa poster la. Tana abantu uthe cwaka cha. Phendula ama DMs. Try ngiyayibona lempatha yakhe yakuposta la.
Hey, having a stress.
Lapho ngamkhuza ukuthi akapost. Oh nah. Bro. I love in a step.
That's why you should fear women.
Fear. After God, fear women, guys. Okay.
What now? Why are you supposed to one post? That's my question.
I don't have that experience.
Why are you supposed to one post?
Damn, grunge fish.
Come on.
Oh.
Hey, Gallery in Kinka now.
Yeah, that was a trial.
Oh yeah, I got that boy. I want the profile picture when.
Ku Facebook no wenza ku Facebook no wenza
Ngifuna ukuthi ngizuze. Hey, what la imzuzu ngeke.
How drunk in love boy.
I am in love.
Drunk in love usimele zamachita boy usimele ihlele ko
Now used to it.
atlas esimqhelile hey correct yeah bro.
That's your boy. Like 10 of them posts that.
I don't know, boy. I was so drunk that day. I was so drunk under the influence. I too excited. I'm saying, boy, I posted someone. Me, nah. Posted someone. Not too excited. I had to comments. The comments are flying. The comments are flying, but
Over picture on
Facebook, yeah. I'm sure nigga. Never again. Banaka. And I was a trial.
Hi go.
Being drunk. I was literally drunk in love. I was drunk and I was in love. Yeah.
Like better grand boy. Better soft. Come on, I can't keep this to myself.
Let me just let the world see.
Oh no. Hey, the whole soap. Hey, things we do. Yeah, still regret it till today, man. Shit crazy.
And that's a question I'm doing after that. Just curious.
Curiosity killed again. Ungayenzi lo.
Chest pains. It wasn't that long, but I don't know, maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, something like that.
That was quick as hell.
Record.
After I posted it, yeah, it took a sharp turn, but sadly, I was the one in love, not her. You see, having a lot of love, turned up and turned back on.
Let me correct you. Tanda, I don't love bomb. That's where it gets boring. Or reflecting with
Uhlele opinion yambuthi uthatha ungathandi kakhulu.
we limit
Mase ngakuthandi kakhulu uthi, oh, he doesn't have time for me. Blah, blah, blah. Abazazi bafuna, that's the case. Abazazi. Just rock. Go with the flow. That's what I do now. Just go with the flow. See a vibe, okay, let's vibe.
Yeah, vibe. And then also one by okay. Sesiyathandana, it's reciprocated. Yeah, ungathanda.
Yeah, I learned the hard way. Yeah.
Now when you love bomb,
I learned the hard way. I don't have love even anymore.
Yeah, to feel like
Yo.
that.
It's shy.
You wanna put love already, my boy.
Gave up, boy.
You're not even in your 30s.
Gave up, boy. Chasing money now.
Okay, you're
Chasing
approaching your
money.
mid-20s.
What?
Me. Wow, so good Elise, boy.
So Elise, bro. Still Elise. I'm not that old. Bro, you're approaching your mid. You are approaching. Don't deny it.
2 years is very long.
I know, that's a late.
Very
It's
long.
a year now because already this year is over. When is your birthday?
It was
Say Luli.
No, when is it?
November.
Oh, God, I forgot about you.
Fake friends.
Just 23.
25 full up.
In 2 years, boy.
Next year, so bad next year, December, so pale.
In 2 years. Phela kanjani ngiyaqala December kan mina. Yibo. Kan
And
mina.
you're not sure you're approaching your.
Now I'm 22.
You're also going gay.
Akuleka.
It's very long. 2 years usakudla.
3 years.
You're not sure
Me, I'm 19.
Stop cap.
2006, I've already posted about money. Wait.
I'm only 21. Come on. Only 21.
When I'm behind the camera.
Chasing 30s.
Early 30s.
Snatch, boy.
I'm missing 18.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Yeah. I think that's all.
Okay, what's your dating range before we buy it?
Not above 5 years, not below 5 years. I'm Untata Jani.
Goodbye.
Nah, you shouldn't be older than 5 years than me or younger than me 5 years. That's my range.
Guys, I'm
Hi boy, I don't care. Older or not, dog. But younger.
Oh, you're not 21.
So
So
someone
5 years
who's-
younger than you, 16. Okay, someone is 16.
No,
Correct the statement.
but that's my range. I wouldn't go there. But okay, that's my range. 5 below, 5 above. But okay, I wouldn't go for 16-year-old.
18 your president.
Even 18. 18 is
I'll say 19 going up.
19 going up.
Maybe until 30.
Yeah, you should get sugar mamas.
I would, boy.
Relationship with 30-year-old.
Until 30.
Not a relationship, dog.
bazofumana imali abantu.
No, you can rock at 30-year-old.
Yeah, not a relationship.
Yeah.
30. Mama.
Lazi, unamathas. Silia kunutu. Silia kunutu. Stop.
Omurachaka kanje.
Urachaka.
Oh,
Oh, no.
I don't think are cool. I mean, a dog. I'd say 4 years. I wouldn't go for someone who's like 4 years younger than me. Yeah, well, yeah. Then yeah, we just rock after that.
After
We rock.
Why not?
From your mid-20s upwards, no. Mid-20s, yes.
Ah, you.
But summer, umto 2005 intanga yam there, first of all.
W's in the W.
W is 2004.
Mm.
Wait, Dabi is 2004, so he is 21. So
Ngabo 26 wena.
he's
Ma 25 tanga kwanza.
about 05 in Dankambra.
So you wouldn't date someone.
It's 05. No. No. Nah.
Okay, let's go.
Nah. Not even my wildest dream.
Yo.
Yo.
2005. Dankambra.
But I know you were dated 36 years old.
Nah.
I think I'm going to share the material about like abafuna nje umuntu age yakhe okanye umdala kanye bebe mdala.
Ayikho lodwa boy.
Jonke parents but
Nah, don't compare it.
Alile, swiper. Skole sa swiper wena.
Nah, all I think about 2005, dog.
Ayibu. Nah.
Yo.
This is crazy.
But as a le parents, dog. Diabolical.
yo.
I knew it was normalized a lot.
Hmm?
It was normalized a lot back in the days.
Oh my god.
Like thinking about my dad's age and thinking about my mom's and their days.
Aliphi la sonto saqhuma namanje baba.
Jelly plus what last guy. Last guy.
Pictures of Leandro Mazala and this other guy. Apparently the guy is 29, but to me he looks like he's 35 or something.
Not 25. 29.
No, they said he's 29, and to me
That's
he looks.
cap. I saw that picture.
And ubukeka ngathi la muntu mhlawumbe lapha kodwa-
Dala
At least
lwamuntu.
45.
Yeah, something there like
Check
it's
to the
his.
buso.
No shame.
Izibe grey po.
Izibe grey.
Izibe grey.
Bakhona abantu bakwashembe ubabonayo bakho emncinci lona kodwa naye enjoyment.
Izibe grey.
Not 25. Not 25.
Izibe grey.
Kodwa umuntu ngasona 31.
Izibe grey.
Why grey po?
It is a crazy.
Not sincere, but anyway. Make
I mean, like, but I do know someone who has gray hair who's our age.
Yeah, but
Sisixhosa eso Jomi, la nto kuthiwa umuntu ukhula isixhosa. There's a difference.
She's not even closer.
But now kaloku like in a
Oh, chop lamji. Chop lamji. Nangap tadi something.
Senimpandla.
Tangan ngana. I'm not 22, 23.
Already bald head, bro.
Chop.
Machine. Hairline gone.
Headline chart.
22. Goodness.
Headline.
Sisi yamemeza to. Akekho kuzibamba ke to
Gonna fuse up.
As soon as I have fam, I shall save time.
He's ashamed.
He's really traumatized, but
He's bold and ashamed. He's bold and ashamed.
bad.
It's bad. We don't have a picture.
Social media guys. The
You
name
know, I fought a lot. I posted.
Chop lam.
I posted a lot.
Ngeke umbone ngasibani singazi.
like a manake.
Unless Gundile, my Gundile.
Ngeke umbone ngasibani singazi. It's singazo inkepusi. Gauge.
Kuyasiza kodwa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo.
I got that boy doing my shame.
Dog. Yenza short. Once zakhula nje. Yo lamjide ngazi yo. Ngele noza zizinto zingaka yabo.
Do you think uzobona impandla wena boy?
Uba.
Boy.
Uthi iba khona dog. Hayi all the way. All the way.
So,
I don't have a choice. I'm chopped. I'm chopped.
And uzobonakala into nempandla.
Fucking no hair. Solutions are always there. Fucking no
Kunama
hair.
solutions
Solutions are always there. Susa kwanto. Susa kwanto. Usingaphinde sikhule. Ah, it doesn't matter. No hair. No, hey.
Fika icwebezela.
Unotakusebenza after 3 days. Hey, banandabo.
Every after 3 days, baba.
Uyibo.
Being chopped is not an option. But chopped is not an option.
Awunjalo sibongo.
How do you feel about someone who has like gold tooth or silver tooth?
What's that?
Yeah. Would you date them? Oh no. I nampo same fuze kitomazana 18 kanti hayi tomazana 18 kanti wawumasiya manje na khawusithande bethu hayi khawusithande
Usiyo.
tomazana faka amagolide na wawumagolide manje hayi na khawusithande
Kilo magolide baba.
love yourself yeah just self love ayikho cha iyafuneka sometimes but I wouldn't you know shame.
Uyibo.
When you don't mind we're dating someone who has
Uyibo.
fake tasted like a shoe.
I'm
You
so
know? Kissing be smelling like oil. Oh no.
Phinda cha ugwaye ngaphezulu.
Yo.
Uyayicabanga nje leyo nto.
Bondabuko
Yona
bethu.
ngayicela sis.
Yabona
Yo.
umfana ozonqaba ushota qoba benemicondo. Hey, get away from me. What do you
Catching sprays.
Yeah, boy.
What do you
Catching
want?
sprays.
Not only you don't have me. You don't have me condo.
We are cooked, but we are cooked, but I'll be rocking the shorts, but as summertime I rock the shorts.
And when you short abenemicondo qoba imbali zakhe zome qoba oh my god.
Shine.
Bakuse endleleni. Yo, benibamba yani. Life has no formula baby. It's child.
Athini mntana abantu engazenzanga? Akazenzanga.
Angizenza.
Ube namadolo choma
Ile ngoma engingayi.
That's all.
omile on top of that. One igasanisa hambi pa. Oh.
Yeah, that's how. Ah, shine.
Oh,
so good.
All red blacks, the distance flops, and oh, I wanna. Okay.
Yeah.
Yay.
I must say, I'm first.
Which is true. What's wrong with the relay?
Yeah, boy.
I'll be rocking those shorts December, man.
Chop la palm, steeper.
If you're going to the beach, understandable, I get it.
Yo, ngiyachisa nje
I was
sithini.
teasing. This is fucking my cargo pants. Cheers.
Dude, there are so many types of shorts you can get. Why specifically those ones? And then like
They're comfortable.
Yeah, but the rest doesn't have pinky as long as it's
Oh, I hate those. Bekhona ezinye ezine flamingos noma
Oh,
From Chadis Clip.
it's catching sprays right now.
Chadis Clip.
It's catching sprays right now.
Bro, chewing peel food.
That's fighting a boy.
Those shorts are not cute at all. Shane. They are not.
Ask Gogel Nina, very so we don't care about your opinion.
They're not cute.
As long as it's Gogel and Jatina Bang, we're good.
I'm
Now
sure
they're so
there-
cheap.
There
Man,
are
total
also things that
special.
you don't like as much as I'm sure there are a lot of things.
Type of crop top.
As long as it's
that
on my
one was
hand,
not cute.
as long as it's on my hand, go crop top and go my bum shorts and ish. Nah.
really tight in.
Leyo kugema
Man, and it's a brown. It's a brown. It's a brown.
le dog le bra ungazibona uyibilo yanquzanga
Oh, it's a brown. Ay, it's a brown. Let it swap. Let it swap. It's time to beat.
Guys, they're almost hard for a girl to look like this. In fact, I would never wear tight package.
Oh,
In fact, I
tights
don't even own one.
tight be revealing, man. Tights are revealing.
Crop top. My sister.
But
Bam
somebody-
shorty.
He cropped up the pam shorty, I'm fine and gay. It's hot outside.
As long as it's not my girl, I don't care.
Aku apa short boy.
Aye.
Sunglasses.
Yo, Sundress bana. Woo. I would die for her. Type yam ngale sundress.
Don't mind me. As long as udlalela le kude ngami. Ngithi I don't mind bangayi bantwana but as long as ezodlalela le.
Owakho.
Owami. Same thing.
As long.
Same thing.
The tights, the bum shorts. Yeah,
Wear what you want for me.
it's fine.
Wear what
Do what you want.
Don't lie.
Don't lie. I don't
Wear what you want, dog. Wear what you want. Uyithenge cause eyithanda mos makayibeke.
Okay, what's your take on the mini dresses and the mini skirts? Of course, you don't like them because you
Mini
say the bum
skirts.
shorts,
Hey,
no?
wait. So reveal manje, wait. Reveal ishebo zami. Joking. Just jokes, guys. Just jokes. Wear what you want. Wear what you want.
Ngiyithandayo cha. Late umamela nendoda. Thina enqilile.
Mangathi bathi is controlling.
Uthanda ingayipha ubhebhe rhago nganyiwa. Yo.
Wait, so when I'm like, don't go there, you go there.
You right, boy.
No, there's never been any.
Kunqobeza push is flat.
Eziphi mama?
Ezithenga zama uzomakhulu.
Zipho
Pumps.
Kodwa naye ke ngeke dokwazi ngoba i-pumps come on.
Akhona wangcoba nje
kodwa
uyayenza
i-fashion
ngayo.
sense ibalulekile.
Yeah, abazuthenga kanandawo nje athi
Doesn't care.
Angiba uphaqa abadoko ilontuzi i-G-strings ezizophaqa doko like ngeke. I-pumps bro. I-pumps in 2025. Zithi mos ukuzibona zithi zihlale zithe ngathi zisi-cups i-pumps
sizaliqonela bayadikiwe.
They finally breeding. They breeding in literal.
It was a long day.
You know,
Let me get my
i-pumps on the floor
you as my
khona ezizeleza uyazibona ezizeleza
Yo athi pumps ali skinny jeans ipanya line.
ati bandana yet.
all of these pants zamantombazana zeleda uwatsho
Akwakwa ibhluke leather mna.
Tadiyane.
Ngicabanga isikipha seviyaji gqoba zomisa wena uthi uyabomba umfana nekhavela bakithi cha ngeke awushembe ngamane kuyekwe.
Yeah.
If you sing with umfana nekhavela, guys, please just take me away from that person.
why
I was blind.
Kanjani ngathi mabura?
Yo.
Bathini kanti?
Oh mabura please.
It's like ngokuzophatha i-ultra
Hola Charlie.
Uza mathela.
Hola Charlie.
so no thank you. Umfana nekhavela, no thank you.
kuze kube manje kuze kube manje
Uzonuka so.
Kala gqilazi. Niyothi babe enganeni.
Fana umfana ozofona ngenathi ngehenesa gqoba poste.
Oh.
You ngeke.
Oh,
No
no.
thank you. Bona nabafike bethenga impahla gqoba umuntu aposta athi ngathengela wonke umuntu phako wenu. Foko futhi ngiyongibani. No thank you.
so thina usistyle abethu abantu
Hola Charlie. Okay.
Azivale manje bafethu. It's been a great episode.
catch us yeah Kuphizi what easy
Mr. Hex on your screens.
oh it's long chita kama intro sang as a co-host she's a co-host now
That's new to me.
yo
Yo.
always to group him but
Yo.
it's chat
Okay.
Yeah, Lala guys, she's our new co-host. You'll be seeing her more often.
shut up
Give it up for her. Oh yeah, and also catch us on the
Sunday.
30th. I was classified. Yaitanda. I was
Catch us on
Station 3. Dance Mania. 30 November. If your car doesn't go
don't come
Thank you. Out.